In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first automation in n8n. We'll build a simple workflow that listens for incoming data through a webhook, processes that data to create a friendly greeting, and then sends the result to an external service using an HTTP request. Along the way, I'll explain why each part matters so you can reuse the same structure for future automations. Start by opening your browser and heading to your n8n dashboard. Click New Workflow to create a fresh canvas. You'll land in the Workflow Editor, where we'll add and connect nodes to define how data moves and transforms. Add your trigger by clicking the plus button and searching for Webhook. Drop the Webhook node onto the canvas. In its settings, set the path to greeting hook and keep the HTTP method as GET. Using GET makes testing easy because you can trigger the workflow directly from your browser with a query string. This webhook will be the entry point that starts the automation whenever it receives a request. Next, add a processing step. Click the plus button again and search for function item. This node lets you write a tiny bit of JavaScript to shape your data. Paste the following code into the node. Item.greeting else hello plus item.query.name plus have fun at the plus item query.event plus return item. This takes the name and event from the webhook's query parameters and builds a message like, "Hello John, have fun at the conference." If either field is missing, you'll see undefined in the output, so make sure you provide both when testing. Now add an HTTP request node. Set the method to post. For the URL, use your own unique webhook capture endpoint, for example, a URL from a temporary webhook testing service. In the body parameters, add a field named greeting. For its value, reference the output from the function item node using the expression /node function item JSON greeting. This tells n8n to send the exact greeting we just created. Connect the nodes in order: webhook to function item, and function item to HTTP request. This creates a clear pipeline from trigger to processing to delivery. Click Execute Workflow to put it into listening mode. In a new browser tab, visit your n8n webhook URL. HTTPS, your n8n URL, webhook, greeting hook. Name, John and event, conference. That request triggers the workflow, generates the greeting, and posts it to your external endpoint. Finally, open the endpoint dashboard you used for the HTTP request. You should see the incoming request containing the greeting, confirming everything worked. That's your first n8n automation, clean, simple, and ready to build on.